So if you have probably clicked on this video, meaning you are looking at how to earn more money using the Achieve app. If you are in Ghana, this is the best app that you can ever save your money or double up your money with. It's very simple. So in today's video, I'll walk you through the signing up, how you can get the app on your mobile phone, then we sign in together. Then I will show you 3 ways that you can use to earn money in Ghana using the Achieve app. Alright, so before we proceed to download the app and sign up, let's make a little bit research about the Achieve app and know what they have for us. I just typed in Achieve app. Let's check something here. Offered by Petra Securities Limited, Achieve. We're gonna click on this link. Loading. Okay, so we are on the home page of the Achieve app. Grow your savings with ease on Achieve. Get access to safe personal investment products to help you save towards the things that matters you. Okay, so this is all about the Achieve app, available on App Store and both Play Store for Android mobiles. Don't worry, the link is in the description box. Click on that link to download the exact app. I don't want you to end up being scammed with any wrong app. Click on the link, use the referral name Isaac Kamua, so you can come here and make research about the Achieve app. We are not going to spend much time here. All that I'm going to show you in today's video are 3 things that you can do with this app to earn more money. Let's go and download the app, sign up together. Alright guys, by now I believe you have the Achieve app installed on your mobile phone. If not, click on the link to download the exact app. Very simple. So as you can see, I already have the app, so I'm gonna click on open. So this is gonna pop up. Okay, we're gonna hit on get started, and over here we have to enter our email address. So let me do that. The next thing we're gonna do is to click on continue. So the next page that we're gonna fill is tell us about yourself. So we're gonna type in our first name and second name. Then we're gonna choose the number. Okay, type in our number. Everything is simple. The next thing we're gonna do is to choose password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long. For extra security, you should include at least a number and a special character. So let me enter my password. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna do is to click on sign up. Before you can proceed, you have to agree to these terms and conditions. Okay, so you click on accept. So they will send you some pin to verify your account. So as you can see, confirm your account, guys. So I'm gonna do that over here. This is the pin that they sent to me, so I'm gonna enter that. Simple. Then you click on to proceed. So it's gonna load. As you can see, you get a message, welcome to the Achieve project. Okay, very simple. So this is the next page that you have to fill. Very simple. Choose a username. I'm going to do that. Then the next one is to choose the gender, then date of birth. Okay guys, so you choose your date of birth. Make sure all the details that you are entering are those on your national ID cards, voters or passport, driving license. Make sure everything is correct over here. Then click on save and continue. How did you hear about Achieve? All that you're gonna do is to click on friend. Then over here, I want you to type as referrer. So type that, then hit on next. This is the next page. So what brought you to Achieve? Very simple. They want us to select the product. The first one is DigiSave. Okay, so guys, this is one of the ways to earn money with the Achieve. I will explain that, so click on that. Okay, so guys, they will require your personal information where you submit your document. Make sure you do everything, your marital status, residential address, next of kin. You fill all this, guys. So this is the home page of the Achieve app. The next thing you're going to do is to complete this KYC, which is know your customer. You submit proof of identity. Very simple. Your ID and next of kin. So what I'm going to do is to tell you 3 things that you can do with the Achieve app. So I'm going to log in to my main Achieve account, then we proceed. So let me sign out. So guys, we are the homepage of the Achieve app. I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do with this app. Watch the video to the end because I will show you how to earn money with this app even if you don't make deposit. Very simple. So the first thing that you can do with the app is called DigiSave. So for us to do that, you click on discover, then you select flexible investment. The next thing that you do is to click on this plus here. So you can see create an investment account. You're gonna click on that. Then guys, it will take you to this place. What I want you to choose is DigiSave. So with DigiSave, when we deposit money on Achieve and we leave it for some days, couple of months, a year, there are some commission that we will be earning. Okay, very simple for beginner investor. So low risk investment option, mostly invested in treasury bills and bonds. So this is the DigiSave. When you deposit your money, with time there will be a commission. You will be earning commission. So I'll advise you, instead of putting your money in the bank, I'll advise you not to put your money in the bank, but rather put it here to earn commission. Very simple. Leaving that money in your mobile wallet will not earn you anything, but when you drop it here or you transfer it to the DigiSave account, by the following week you'll be earning small commission. So when you leave this money for almost a year, guys, you're gonna make plenty money. So this is one way to earn money using the Achieve app. The next one is investment. So when you click here, you go to plus, then you click on create investment. You can create an investment account. So you will be investing your money into US denominated investment. Very simple, and you earn money from this. So sign up with the Eurobond and start investing in the US denominated investment. Everything is simple here. So the last thing that you can do with Achieve app, let's pause. I want you to do me a simple favor, and it takes nothing to do this. Number 1, click on the like button. By doing this, you are telling YouTube to promote this video to anybody who is searching for this idea. Very simple. Number 2, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, type in I'm a new subscriber and let me know where you are watching me from. Everything is simple over here. I take you through step by step in building wealth, online hustling, rare proof, no scam. Everything is perfect here. So let's proceed with today's video. As you subscribe to the channel, counting 1, 2, 3. Thank you for subscribing. Comment, let me know where you are watching this video from. Very simple. Let's proceed. It's what referring a friend. As you can see, refer and earn. So whenever you refer a friend and the person downloads the Achieve app, sign up and make deposit, you will earn 10 points. Very simple. So as you can see, I've referred 3 people, guys. My point is 0 because I withdrew this point. So in order for you to refer your friend, come to the bottom here, then you can click on share link to copy this link and send to your friends. Convince them to download the app and sign up because Achieve is nice. They will even like it. So share to your friends, your groups, your family members and earn commission. The other way that you can refer a friend is using your username. So you can come here and click on copy username and send to friends. Guys, believe me, you'll be earning money. So let me show you real proof of my account. So I'll hit view. So these are things that I've done with Achieve. I deposited more than 1,000 Ghana cedis. This is another deposit that I did. Total top up was above 1,000 Ghana cedis, and I earned commission from that. As you can see, the total withdrawal. This is a bonus to you. What you can do with the Achieve app also is to create a goal. Very simple. So when you come here, you can see create goals. So with these goals, you will set up a target that you want to save, and Achieve will lead you step by step to achieve that goal. All I'm going to do is to click on plus over here, then create an investment goal like this. Over here, you choose DigiSave or Eurobond Save like that, then you hit continue, you proceed. So everything is legit here. 3 ways to earn money with this app. 1, DigiSave, where you deposit your money, you leave it for some time, then guys you will earn commission on that. Then the second one is investing into the US denominated investment to earn more interest. Then the last thing is by referring people to download and sign up with the Achieve app. So let me share my personal opinion with this app. When I started using it, number 1, from the time I started using this app, they give me no reason to stop using them. So to me it is legit. Alright guys, so these are the 3 things that you can do with the Achieve app to earn more money. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. You can call me Speezy, the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. It is all about success. Download the app from the link and start earning